efficient delivery of required vacuum, energy recovery options, straightforward installation and maintenance. When it comes to total cost of ownership, Atlas Copco's GHS 402 to 1002 VSD Plus is priceless. Let's say this is you. As a finance officer, your job can be taxing. You have to balance performance and costs. Here's an idea. Let the GHS VSD Plus put a smile on your face. Forget about energy-hungry fixed-speed vacuum pumps. Its variable speed technology makes this pump a highly efficient solution that delivers vacuum on demand with potential savings of up to 50% in energy costs. The IE5 motor helps keep the running costs down, and the direct drive configuration ensures efficient power transfer with minimal energy loss. Are you looking for extra savings? Then let the GHS VSD Plus turn up the heat. An optional energy recovery system can recover up to 80% of the total power consumption of the pump by turning it into hot water for use at your production site. That not only reduces your operational costs, but also your CO2 emissions. Still worried about the long-term costs of a new pump? Don't be. Installing and maintaining the GHS VSD Plus won't break your budget. Its plug-and-play design with a universal flange makes installing this pump a breeze and reduces installation costs. Its optimized design means this unit has significantly longer service intervals. Big maintenance is only needed every 6 years, again lowering costs. As a finance officer, you will certainly warm up to the GHS 402 to 1002 VSD Plus. Because this pump's performance pays off, delivering lasting value with minimal expense.